Hey guys, so our final notes for this unit, and it's going to be a little bit weird. I kind of having a difficult time even teaching this. Not that it's difficult, but we're kind of in this weird place with Desmos because Desmos does a lot of stuff. In fact, when you do this lesson, I'm sure you're going to use Desmos and have really good results with what you see. But Desmos, if you are doing a test with Desmos and you're in testing mode with Desmos, there are features that are cut off that don't allow you to do some of the things that we're doing right now. Probably one of the main things that I can recall from last year is inequalities and shading. So I'm going to show you how Desmos works and how it shades, but you need to know how to do this on your own because I would hate for you to be taking a test, pull up Desmos, thinking it's going to do everything it's going to do for you, and it really doesn't. It'll be turned off and you'll have to process that part on your own. As far as the graphing, it'll graph it, but it might not shade it. So let's talk about the symbols and what they mean so that you have kind of a better understanding of this. And then we'll apply it to systems of equations. So if you look in your notes, there's you could have either a greater than symbol, a less than symbol, a greater than equal to, or less than equal to. Now, if you remember from previously when we were doing inequalities, the less than greater than the line would be a dotted line or dashed, however you want to think of it. It doesn't matter. It will not be solid. Now, if it is a greater than, less than with an equal sign under it, then it will be a solid line. So you want to keep that in mind. Okay. Greater than, it's going to be, a greater than symbol, you're going to shade above it. Less than, you're going to shade below. Greater than equal to, you're going to shade above. And less than equal to, you're going to shade, whoops, forgot the A, shade below. So just keep that in mind as you, oops, I'm noticing I forgot the E there. So just keep that in mind because you might be responsible for doing that on your own, even though as you're practicing it, Desmos will do it for you most of the time. So let's go ahead and pull up Desmos. I'm going to do it over on my side. Or trying to do it on my side. All right. Okay. And I'm going to take the very first equation that they give us. It is, let's see, we're going to type that in, y, and now, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. If you look at the bottom of your screen, now it went away. If you look at the bottom of your screen, it is now gone. There is a little keyboard. If you tap that keyboard, then you'll see the greater than, less than. You'll see some symbols that you might not be able to do otherwise. You can do less than, greater than on your keyboard, but your keyboard does not have a less than, equal to symbol. So you would need to use a keyboard on Desmos. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a keyboard on Desmos for everything. So let's see. The first one is y is greater than. So you hit the greater than key. 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3. So cool that it shades it for you like that. Y, and then I'm going to use the greater than, equal to symbol. Negative 2x plus 3. Negative 2x shift plus 3. Okay, now it's kind of cool if you look at this. They show you that what the green is for. They show you what the purple is for, and then you can see in the middle where it's overlapped. So the next question on there says, does 1, 3, is this a solution for this systems of equations? It's actually not equations, or inequalities. So I'm going to find 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you can see it's right here. And yes, that is part of the system of inequalities. So you literally can type all of these in. Now, the problem is, if this wasn't shaded, would you be able to shade it? Would you understand that process? And also, especially understand the process that when you have two of the shadings overlapping, that is your solution. The solution is not this whole green and light purple area. The solution is where the two overlap. So that is the most important thing for you to understand here. It really narrows the solution set. So just keep that in mind as you are working through these problems. Good luck. It's going to be awesome. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.